Words matter. Instead of giving my students assignments of projects, I invite my students to purposely vague challenges. These challenges are vague because I want them to see themselves in every single effort of my class. I want them to use their intrinsic motivation combined with their active exploration so that they can be creative. I use the metaphor of a trail map. This map provides clear options, and I use sayings like a main path or an alternate route, which allows for spiraling, training hikes, or guided tours. All of these encourage the learners to find their own paths. The other way that I incorporate creativity in my classroom is through a virtual structure on a digital whiteboard. Any whiteboard will do, but I've had my eye on Figma's Jamboards recently. What you're seeing here is something called a throwdown space. It's color coded to match the exploration trail map, and students will upload media that they've created during this unit in this space. They can organize it however they want. They are asked to upload screenshots of in-progress work, to upload renders, to upload different states based on feedback that they've gotten. To the right of this, you're seeing a self-assessment rubric with hyperlinks. And what the students are doing is they're assessing their relationship to the knowledge and know-how using a red light, green light, or yellow light system. Really easy for them to do. This virtual structure lays bare the creative process. You can see their growth over time. Students are able to reflect and literally see where they made new decisions. But here's what's the best part of this. I set it up so that they do it in communities. They're not only putting their own stuff, but they're being inspired by other students' efforts. I encourage them to give peer-to-peer feedback. And in order for this to work, you have to cultivate a classroom environment that promotes the idea of collaborative learning, communication, critical thinking, and of course, creativity.